Morning everybody, it's Aisha the Artsy Grandma. I'm coming on today to show you what I've received. This is, I've actually opened it up just to stop all the rattling, but I've not actually had a look at anything. But I do know, at a sneak peek, it's my return swap pocket letter from Cajcrafts, Ruth. And this is part of Cajcrafts monthly swap group, and this week's theme was fireworks. So let's open this up. First of all, let's have a look at this. Just put this lovely washi all around, that black with gold stars on, and that's, just put it all on the back, and it's all around the front, but I'm not going to do that because it's coming a dress on the front. So let's open this up and have a look what's inside. Oh, look at this. Isn't this nice? By the way, it's a glorious day here in Preston, and not been on for a week because we've had some work going on at home, painting and decorating, and it's been really difficult to get into my crafting corner. So today I'm actually sat in my lounge. I thought, well, I'll get this recorded. So let's open this up and see. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Reach for the stars. That's really nice. She's got like blue glittered stars, and then silver star gems, and there's like a piece of silver trim at the bottom. Then it says reach for the stars. Oh, that's really nice. Let's just have a look and see what she says. It says, Dear Aisha, thank you for being my swap partner for the fireworks swap. I hope you enjoy what I have made. Ruth, Cajcrafts. Oh, thank you, Ruth. I do like this card. It's really nice. So let's open this now. Yeah, I had a couple of weddings to go to last week as well. One was a family wedding, and you know, Asian weddings, they do one for 2, 3, 4 days at a time, so busy with that. Oh, I think this one's just fallen out, so let's put that back in. Oh, that is so pretty. All firework type papers. And this one says wish upon a star. It's got some gold gems on. And there's butterflies. And the middle one, it's like a shaker card, and she's got some sequins. And down here it says handmade for you. And she's got like 4 little butterflies and like a gold, I think it's washi, little tassel, eyelash trim, and a gold star. Oh, well, that's really nice. So let's have a look. got some little stickers here. Ice cream, a couple of cupcakes, donut, cherries. Oh, very nice. Best wishes. Oh, these always come in very handy, don't they? Oh, it's a little die. Oh, that's nice, like a flower die. I'll have a see if I can die cut that and see what it comes out like. Very nice. Some little toppers. Oh, these are so cute. That little ladybird. Bugs and kisses. Oh, cute as a bug. You've caught a bug, or did it catch you? You'll soon recover and feel just fine, like new. Very true. It was ill for quite a while. Well, it starts off as a cold and then it became a chest infection. And because of my fibromyalgia, I'll get really run down. Thank you for that. Oh, these are nice. Wish upon a star. That little puffy. Oh, very nice. Some more of those gold. Oh, these are so cute. It's like glitter dots. Never seen these. Have you made these? These are really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, some heart paper clips. Don't have any of these either. These are really nice. Oh, lovely. I do like all the papers you've used. Some little sentiments there. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you very much, Ruth. I like these papers that you've used. They're really nice. Fireworks. I'm afraid I couldn't get any of these papers for mine, so I hope you like mine. I'm going to send it out to you this week. Thank you very much, Ruth. Thank you. And thank you everyone for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.